Right. We'll see the problems in the harmonic analysis. Right. The problem: obtain the Fourier series. Obtain the Fourier series of y up to the second harmonic to the second harmonics for the following values. The problem should be, one is x degree, another should be y. In terms of degrees they are given. One should be 45 degree, 4.0, 90, 3.8, 135, 2.4, 180 degrees, 2.0, 225 degree, minus 1.5, 270 should be 0. Next one should be 315, should be 2.8. Next one should be 360 degrees, should be 3.4. Right, so we have to find up to the second harmonic. Already we know that the formulas. How do you find up to the second harmonic? Right. Solution. We know that. How do you write this one? F of x equal to, general formula will write a naught by 2 plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity an into cos nx plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity bn into sin nx, I'll write. But here up to second harmonic means, I'll take the formula should be to second harmonic. Means we'll write this formula f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus a1 into cos x plus a2 into cos 2x plus b1 into sin x plus b2 into sin 2x. This is the formulas. Now, what is a naught? Already we know that a naught equal to 2 by n into summation of y. Next one should be a1 equal to 2 by n into summation of y cos x. a2 equal to 2 by n into summation of y cos 2x. Next one should be b1 equal to 2 by n into summation of y sin x. b2 equal to 2 by n into summation of y sin 2x. These are all the formulas. What is the value of n means? We know that here n equal to, how many values they are given, see here. So 0 value, 360 value should not repeat. Here 0 value they have not given. So I will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total value should be n equal to 8. Now I have to prepare the table and I have to simplify. Here see, first I have to find y cos x. Similarly y cos 2x, y sin x and y sin 2x. How do you find here? See, I'll take next sheet, so I will prepare the table. Right, first one should be x. This is the values of x1, first x. And next one should be x values, these are all. Next should be y. The values of y is this one. Next I will write directly, see. Here if you will see y cos x, y cos 2x required. First I will write y cos x. And next one should be y cos 2x. y cos 2x. Similarly, y sin x, y sin 2x. Right. So now x values I will take. X value should be 45 degrees. Another one should be 90 degrees. Another should be 135 degrees. Another should be 180 degrees. Another should be 225 degrees. Another should be 270 degrees. Another should be 315 degrees. Another should be 360 degrees. Another is 360 degrees. 45 degrees value should be 4.0 and the 90 value should be 3.8. These are all given. I'm writing here. This one should be 2.4. Next one should be 2.0. Next one should be minus 1.5, 0, 2.8, 3.4. Now, y cos x means y value you should take here. Y is nothing but 4 into cos 45. Then y is 3.8 into cos 90. 2.4 into cos 135. 2.0 into cos 180. Minus 1.5 into cos 225. Like that you should take and you have to simplify. Now 4.0 into cos 0. So y cos x should be 2.8284. And next one should be 3.8 into cos x should be cos 0, 0. Next 2.4 into cos 135 minus 0.7071. Next one should be cos 180 into 2 is nothing but minus 2 into cos 180 minus 2.0. This one should be, you can rectify it, 1 point, see this one you can rectify it. So this one 2.4 into cos of 135 should be minus 1.6970 minus 1.6970 6970. Next one should be minus 1.5 into cos of 225 is 1.0606 1.0606 and next one should be 0 and next one should be 1.9798 and next one should be 3.4. Next, similarly, y cos 2x. So y cos 2x should be, if you simplify this, you will get first one should be 4.0 into cos 90 should be 0. And next one should be minus 3.8. 3.8 into cos 180 is minus 3.8. And next one should be 0. 2.4 into cos 270, 0. And next one should be 2.0. And next one should be, so if you simplify 225 into this one should be 0. 0 into cos of 2 into 270 is 0. The next one should be 0. And next one should be 3.4. Next, similarly, y sin x. We know that y sin x means y this term into that angle. Angle is what, that 45. Y sin 45. Y sin 45 is 2.8284. Then similarly, this one y into 3.8 into this one should be 3.8. Next one should be 1.6970. Next one should be 0. Next one should be 1.0606. Can simplify using calculators. 0. Next 2.8 into cos sine of 315 is minus 1.9798. Next one should be 0. Similarly, y sin 2x, 4.0 into sine of 2 into 45, that should be 4.0. Next one should be 0 minus 2.4. Next one should be 0 minus 1.5, 0. And next one should be 2.8 into sine of 315 degrees minus 2.8. And next one should be 0. We'll get this much. Now you can make the sum. sum of summation of y. This is not radians. This is not radians. Summation of y. Summation of y equal to, what is that summation of y is 16.9. Summation of y cos x. Summation of y cos x. What is the value of summation of y cos x is 5.5718. Summation of y cos 2x. Summation of y cos 2x equal to 1.6. 1.6. Next, summation of y sin x. Summation of y sin x equal to 7.4062. Next, summation of y sin 2x equal to minus 2.7. Right. Now, we can write these are the values. I got it. Now, what I have to find, already previous sheet I have written the formulas. So what are that formulas? We know that. So a naught equal to n is 8. Summation of y a1 equal to some 2 by n into summation of y cos x. We'll take that one. A naught equal to 2 by 8 into summation of y is 16.9. Now if you simplify, you will get a naught value should be 4.225. Next, similarly, a1 equal to 2 by n into 2 by 8 into y cos x. What is that? Y cos x is 5.5718. So if you simplify the value, a1 should be 1.393. This is a1. Next, a2 equal to 2 by n is 2 by 8 into summation of y cos 2x is 1.6. Now you will get a2 is nothing but 0.4. Next, similarly, b1 equal to 2 by n is 2 by 8 into summation of y sin x is 7.4062. So that equal to, you will get b1 equal to 1.8516. Next, b2 equal to 2 by n is 2 by 8 into minus 2 by 8 into minus, what is that? b2 value should be minus 2.7. So that equal to, if you simplify, minus 0.675 you will get. So you can use calculators and we have to simplify this. Now I'll write f of x equal to, already I told that. So formula, what is that formula I told here? We know that a naught by 2 in this formula, I'm substituting that. A naught value, a1 value, b1 value, b2 values are all I'm substituting. F of x equal to a naught by 2. A naught is 4.225 divided by 2 plus a1 is nothing but 1.393 into cos x plus a2 is nothing but 0.4 into cos 2x plus b1 is 1.8516 into sin x plus b2 is minus 0.675 into sin 2x. This is the value of f of x. You can divide it, this f of x equal to how much you will get 2 divided by 4.225 divided by 2 you can cancel it and you can write it that. This is the required solution of the given equation. Up to second harmonic means we have to simplify the problems like this. Right, one more problem we will see, the same type. Right, find find the Fourier series. Find the Fourier series. Find the Fourier series. Find the Fourier series. Neglecting terms. Neglecting terms higher than the first harmonic. higher than the first harmonic, neglecting the terms higher than the first harmonics. Higher than the first harmonic means we have to find only up to first harmonic only. Right. So the data should be given should be one should be x, the problem should be x degrees, and next one should be y. X should be x is 0, 7.9. Next one should be 60 degree, should be 7.2. Next one should be 120 degree. 120 degree is nothing but 3.6. 180 degree is nothing but 0.5. 240 degree is nothing but 0.9. Next one should be 300 degree is nothing but 6.8. 6.8. Solution. Solution. Here we have to find C. One thing you should observe it. Here 0. 360 they have not given. Suppose 360 value will come. The same value only they will give. See, I will include it here. 360 value also. See, I will include it here. 360 value also. This is 360 degrees. That value should be 7.9. I have been included that extra term. Y means to know that here 0, 360. Both values are coming here. Here 0, 360. Both values are will come means you should either you have to include 0 or 360. Now I can take the interval. I'll take 0 less than or equal to theta, less than or x. Here this one should be x, less than 360 degrees. X. The value should be here x, less than. Here why I am taking only less than means if you consider 0 value, you should not consider 360 value. Sometimes in the examination, particularly they will give 0 value, 360 value. That's only I have given this one in black color. If you consider 0, you should not consider 360. Suppose if you consider 360, you should not consider this 0. Now, up to here, see, not more than first harmonic means. So we have to find up to first harmonic. We have to find up to first harmonic. What is that first harmonic is nothing but f of x, general formula, f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity an into cos nx plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity bn into sin nx. Now f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus a1 into cos x plus b1 into sin x. This is that f of x. Now a naught equal to 2 by n into summation of y, a1 equal to 2 by n into summation of y cos x, b1 equal to 2 by n into summation of y sin x. Is it clear? Now here what is that? N is nothing but you should not, n is always even number only. So you should not count 0 value if I am counting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You should not consider 360. 0 value we have been considered. So n is nothing but here 6. If you count n is an odd number, then you are counting both numbers. So now I can prepare the table for this and I'll substitute it in this formulas. Now I can take right. First one should be x degrees, and next one should be y. X and next one should be y. Next one should be y cos x. Next one should be y sin x. Only up to first harmonic only we are doing. X degree means one should be 0, another should be 60, another should be 120, 180, 240, 300. You should not consider 360. Only up to what is that? Up to 300 only you have to consider, because 0 value we have been considered. Now this one should be 7.9, 7.2, 3.6, 0.5, 0.9, 0.9, 300 should be 6.8. Now we have to find y cos x. How do you find y cos x? We know that y is nothing but 7.9 into cos 0. Cos 0 is 1, so that equal to 7.9. Now y is 7.2 into cos 60. Is nothing but, if you will multiply 7.2 into cos 60 should be 3.2. 3.6. Now similarly 3.6 into cos 120. 3.6 into cos 120 is minus 0.5. Minus 0.5. Next one should be, next one is y is nothing but, y is 0.5 into cos of 180 is, sorry, this one should be, this one is 1 minute. So you can use in the calculator and you can tell 3.6 into cos 120 is minus 1.8. Minus 1.8. And next one should be minus 1.8. 0.5 into cos 180 should be minus 0.5. Minus 0.5. Next 0.9 into cos 240 is minus 0.45. Next one should be 6.8 into cos 300 is nothing but 3.4. 3.4. Next one should be y sin x. Y sin x is 7.9 into sin 0 is nothing but 0. Next one should be 7.2 into sin 60 is nothing but 6.2352. 6.2352. Next one should be 3.6 into sin 120 is 3.1176. 3.1176. Next one should be sin 180. 180 should be over that here. 0.5 into sin 180 should be 0. So this one you will get it as 0. Minus, next one should be 0.9 into sin 240 is minus 0.7794. 6.8 into sin of 300 is minus 5.48. Now we have to find the sum. So if we find the sum, we will get, this is summation of y. Summation of y equal to 26.9. 26.9. Summation of y cos x equal to, summation of y cos x equal to 12.15. Summation of y sin x equal to, summation of y sin x equal to 2.6846. Now we know that the formulas and the end values are all, I know that, so that's the way I'll take. What is that? A naught is nothing but 2 by 6 into, A naught is nothing but 2 by 6 into summation of y is nothing but 26.9. So that equal to A naught equal to 2 by 6 into summation of, this one should be 8. If you simplify 8.9667 you will get. Next similarly A1 equal to 2 by 6 into summation of y cos x is 12.15. So that equal to A1 equal to, you will get it as 4.05. Next similarly we will get B1 equal to 2 by 6 into, this one should be sin x, 2.6846. So that equal to 2.6846 is nothing but B1 value should be 0.8949. 0.8949. Now we can substitute it. F of x equal to A naught by 2. So what is that? A naught by 2 is nothing but, we know that A naught by 2 plus, already I told that A1 into cos x plus B1 into sin x. So what is that here? F of x equal to A naught. A naught should be 8.9667 divided by 2 plus A1 is 4.05 into cos x plus B1 is 0.8949 into sin x. Now you'll get f of x equal to 8.9667. If you simplify this, you will get 4.4833, 4.4833 plus 4.05 into cos x plus 0.8949 into sin x, which is the required solution of the given equation. So up to the first harmonic. This way we'll find out, they'll give both values 0, 360 or 0, 2 pi. Any one value you have to consider. Already I told that in harmonic analysis, it should be half open, half closed. For that's the way I've written this one in the black color pen. You should not consider 360, they'll give 0 value. They'll not give 0 value, we consider this 360.